5 Amazing Science Facts Part 3. 1. Humans have genes from other species. We like to think of humans as being superior to other living creatures. Still, the reality is that our genome consists of as many as 145 genes that have jumped from bacteria, fungi, other single-celled organisms, and viruses, according to a study published in the journal Genome Biology. 2. It can rain diamonds on other planets. The atmospheres in Neptune, Uranus, and Saturn have such extreme pressure that they can crystallize carbon atoms and turn them into diamonds, American scientist reports. How do we know this scientific fact? Researchers were able to create the correct conditions in a lab to prove this occurs on Neptune and Uranus. Separately, other researchers speculate that it may rain as much as 2 million pounds of diamonds on parts of Saturn every year. 3. There were roughly 2.5 billion T-Rexes on Earth, but not all at the same time. Humans have been marveling at the size of T-Rexes ever since first putting a full skeleton together. Now, thanks to research published in April 2021, scientists have a better idea of exactly how many of them once called Earth their temporary home. According to the team at the University of California, Berkeley, approximately 2.5 billion of these dinosaurs existed across more than 127,000 generations. They reached this estimate by taking into account the dinosaur's body size, sexual maturity, and energy needs. By the way, this is what T-Rexes actually sounded like. 4. Water can exist in 3 states at once. This is called the triple boil, or triple point, and it is a specific temperature and pressure where materials exist as a gas, a liquid, and a solid simultaneously. The triple point, which is also the only situation where all 3 states of matter can coexist, is different for every material, according to the University of California, Santa Cruz. The water reaches its triple point at just above freezing, 0.1 degree Celsius, and at a pressure of 0.006 atm. 5. Helium can work against gravity. When helium is cooled to extreme temperatures, just a few degrees away from absolute zero, -460 degrees Fahrenheit or -273 degrees Celsius, it turns into a superfluid, meaning it can flow without friction, Scientific American reports. It can climb up and over the sides of the glass, and it can leak through molecule-thin cracks in a container. And here's another interesting fact about this element: while helium is the second most abundant element in the universe, it may actually be harmful to the human body, one of the many problems with birthday balloons no one talks about.